Today, I'm going to be showing you how to allow people to upload photos and documents to Google Forms. Hello and welcome back to Google Tutorials, where we give you the best tips and tricks to grow your confidence online. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that you're the first to get notified every time we launch a brand new video. If you haven't watched the Google Forms playlist where we show you how to create a Google form from start to finish, there'll be a link in the description box below or in the iCard in the top right of your screen. Allowing people to upload photos and files can be really beneficial. For example, if you're doing a quiz or a feedback form, you can have people upload photos or documents with their opinions or their favourite places or whatever you choose. To do this, what you need to do is to create a question and then go up to multiple choice. And then we're going to click File Upload. And then it will give you a few different options. Allow only specific file types is really useful for if you're doing feedback form which you require only images, or if you're trying to do a graphics or a film competition, meaning that students can only upload, for example, MP4 files, which is what videos are generally recorded in, JPEG images, which is what images are generally taken in, or whatever you choose. And you can just select that by toggling this button here. The next option is maximum number of files. What this basically means is that the number of files that a person can upload. For example, it's automatically set to 1, but you can have 1, 5 or 10. Then the maximum file size. Generally what you want to do is select 1 GB, which allows students to upload high resolution images or large documents or large film sizes. The final thing that we want to change is this form can accept up to 1 GB of files. We want to change this, so to change it, click the blue change button next to it. The reason why we want to change this is that after this 1 GB has been reached, it will not accept any more files, and we don't want that. So if we click on it, we can have up to 1 TB, which is a large amount, and nobody is going to need that much. What you want to do is you want to have the largest amount that you can have with your Google account. With a free Google account, you can have up to 15 GB, and since there's 15 GB, just go for 10. And then click the purple Save button at the bottom. What this will do is it will create a Google Drive folder and it will store all of these inside of, and it will email it to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe, as we've got a ton more content just like this.